had a request about removing this plastic side trim on the seats, on the manual seats with a lever, perhaps mostly in the UK, Europe. The way it goes, we need to undo the two levers, and behind each one there is a clip, and we need to keep that clip, pull it to disengage, and then move the lever up. So this is the clip. Just keep this guy, pull it with a screwdriver or anything, and it will disengage from this small hole you see at the top in the metal piece, and it should be sliding up. But I have to say that I did try the same on the front one, didn't come out even though I disengage it. So sometimes these guys are really stuck in there, and once you remove it from there, the way it goes, this guy is simply clipped on the frame of the seat. So basically you can even pull it a little bit upwards at the behind too. Maybe I can just film so you notice how it is that bent something is round. It just clips on the metal frame, the tube that you see there. And same, there's a metal tube as well in the front, this guy here round, and it just clips on it. So basically you just need to lift it, but you have to be able to remove the levers first. This gives you a better idea how it's hooked. So at the front one it goes towards the bottom, so you lift it, and at the rear it goes toward the rear. So once you lift this guy, you just the rear part, you just pull it backwards, pull it towards the rear of the car, and should be disengaging. This is the hole that's securing those stubs, and this one, like I said, I wasn't able to remove it.